Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by checking the Net Dupatta for tears and loose threads before you begin. Lay a clean, flat surface and place a towel folded to 1/4 thickness beneath the fabric. Remove jewelry and pins that could snag the net while you work. Fill a steamer or kettle and heat until steady steam appears. Maintain about 3-5 inches distance from the fabric. Set an iron to the low synthetics or silk setting for tests only. Always test on a 2-inch patch to confirm safety. Use a handheld steamer and hold it about 3-5 inches away from the net while moving constantly. Steam in vertical strokes from top to bottom to let fibers relax naturally. If you must iron, place a clean cotton cloth over the net and use the low synthetics or silk setting. Never press the iron directly onto the net to avoid melting or stretching the fibers. Keep motion steady and finish by hanging the dupatta to cool and set for at least 30 minutes. For persistent creases, mix 1 cup water with 1 TSB fabric softener in a spray bottle and lightly mist the area. Gently stretch the net with fingertips after misting, and then steam or cover and press with a cloth iron if needed. To prevent future wrinkles, roll the dupatta loosely or hang it on a padded hanger for daily storage. Store longer-term flat or inside breathable cotton bags, and avoid plastic that traps moisture and causes mildew or odors over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.